Hi, everybody. It's Robert Kempster. I'm here to share again with you tonight. I hope everybody's having fun. I'm here in sunny Florida, Orlando to be precise. Getting ready for the Legendary Marketer Mastermind tomorrow morning. It's an all-day event for the next 3 days. If you ever get into this, please look it out and always make sure you attend this. Hi, Christopher Leonen. I see you. Hi there. Hi, everybody. Just tuning in again. This is your boy, Robert Kempster. I'm in Orlando, Florida. I just wanted to take a quick moment to talk about a book that I read recently. And I had this all set up that I was going to say, can you please help me to help you? I was trying to help a friend earlier, and it made me realize that every single time I try to help someone, I end up helping myself too. Never fails. I mean, I read this book recently, and it has me hooked, causing me to make a lot of changes in my life. I've seen a lot of changes. I've seen a lot of improvement. Can you guys say where you're from? I'm in Florida. Right now, I'm usually in New York. Where are you guys from? Please say that below. I would really appreciate that if you could. Anyway, tonight I'm here to talk about this book here. This book is by David Sharp. A Forbes Entrepreneur Businessman of the Year. It's called Legendary Marketer for that system. It's titled How to Build a Digital Marketing Business and Earn Unlimited Income from Anywhere in the World by David Sharp. This man is a legend in the true sense of the word. This is a free book. You are required to pay for shipping. Other than that, it's free. But let me give you why you should read this book, all right? First, I'm just going to run through a list that I made, and I'll tell you. I like to say something most of my life. In fact, if I was home, I'll show you a lot of gifts from staff that they gave me, former staffs of mine, that has the imprint, Show Me the Money, because after seeing that movie, Jerry Maguire, I was always like, show me the money, show me the money. And if you call my phone and you get a ringtone, in the days of the ringtone, that's what you're going to see. So I'm going to start by saying, show me the money. And this book has showed me the money. Here's your chance to get shown the money too. That's what it's all about. This book, number 2, is life-changing. It changes your life. It changes your attitude. As I go down the list, you'll see why. Number 3, it's an eye-opener. It opens up your eyes. Now you can see. If you've been blind before, this book opens your eyes wide open. You'll see what's going on. You'll see how you got to where you are. Number 4, deprogramming. This book deprograms you because what I was alluding to earlier is the fact that we have all been programmed. Okay? This book deprograms you. There's no fluff in the book. No fluff. It's all meat. It's all solid. It's all information that you can use. It's all information that would change your life. Mr. Laurie, I see you there. Thanks, bro. Thanks for showing up. And I know you are in Florida too, so I'm here in Florida. Please say where you are. Maybe we'll encourage some of my visitors to say the same thing. Number 5, you get, and this comes 3 times, you get one part of freedom, which is time. You get time freedom after you read this book. That's my number 5. Number 6, let's hope I can still count. You get another freedom element, financial freedom. You become financially free. Don't get me wrong, nothing is overnight. I'm not promising you overnight in all these things. It's a gradual process, but if you follow the process, like those before you, it worked for them, it will work for you. It's about process. And now, still on freedom, number 8, freedom with your family. Freedom with your family. You get freedom to be your family. You get freedom to be with them. You get freedom to be about them before other things. That is true freedom. No life can be beautiful without these essential freedoms. Yes, we got freedom of speech. So what? What does that do for you? You shoot off your mouth? Okay, fine. Maybe you get some relief, but it doesn't help your life that much. Now, number 9, honesty. It is so honest and refreshing. I'm giving you bullet points because I don't want to do this for the whole night. But if you really listen to this, I would suggest play it over. There's a lot of information in what I'm telling you. It makes you accountable, which is accountability. That's number 10. It makes you accountable for what you do. And some very, very, very smart person once said, you cannot measure improvement if you have no measurement. So, if you do not list what you aim to achieve, you will never know if you're moving or standing. That's the thing. After think about it, the planet is moving. You're moving. If you are not paying attention, you will never know what else is moving. That's part of it, but that's just one part of it. So accountability is very important. It's a means of measurements, but it also helps you determine which direction you're going and how you're getting there and how you're progressing. This does that for you. It also shows you what it takes to get all these things done. It gives you a roadmap. I think that is very important. Again, it's related to accountability. It teaches you to love your family and yourself. Now, that's a big quote unquote, but trust me, if you take care of your family, that is loving your family. If you take care of yourself and your family, that is loving yourself and your family. It teaches you how to provide for yourself and your family. Remember, most of the time, it's all about you. It comes from you. You remember when you're in the airplane, fix yourself before you fix others? Same thing. If you can't love yourself, you cannot love somebody else. If you cannot provide for yourself, you can't provide for anybody else. So there's an order to life. This teaches you part of that, okay? Then, the last but not the least, it teaches you how to protect yourself and your family. Protect what you have put together. Your intention is to be able to pass whatever to your family as you journey on. This does that for you. So, again, I come back. This book is life-changing. Help me to help you. Help me to help yourself. Take a look at this book. It's free. You have to pay some for shipping, but other than that, it's free. Take a look at it. If you don't like what you see, for any reason, hit me up. We'll fix that. All right? Ciao, and everybody have a great night. It's a busy day tomorrow, so I have to make this very short and very brief. But again, you won't find anything like this anywhere else. Not in this depth, not with this much facts, not with this much truth. Have a wonderful night. Robert out. Peace.